Can food act as medicine? All you need to know. What you choose to eat has profound effects on your overall health. Research shows that dietary habits influence disease risk. While certain foods may trigger chronic health conditions, others offer strong medicinal and protective qualities. Thus, many people argue that food is medicine. Yet, diet alone cannot and should not replace medicine in all circumstances. Although many illnesses can be prevented, treated, or even cured by dietary and lifestyle changes, many others cannot. This article explains the medicinal effects of food, including which foods should and shouldn't be used for healing, how food nourishes and protects your body. Many nutrients in food promote health and protect your body from disease. Eating whole, nutritious foods is important because their unique substances work synergistically to create an effect that can't be replicated by taking a supplement. Vitamins and minerals. Although your body only needs small amounts of vitamins and minerals, they're vital for your health. However, Western diets high in processed foods and low in whole foods like fresh produce are typically deficient in vitamins and minerals. Such deficiencies can substantially increase your risk of disease due. For example, insufficient intakes of vitamin C, vitamin D, and folate may harm your heart, causing immune dysfunction, and increase your risk of certain cancers, respectively. Beneficial plant compounds. Nutritious foods, including vegetables, fruits, beans, and grains, boast numerous beneficial compounds, such as antioxidants. Fiber. Fiber is an essential part of a healthy diet. It not only promotes proper digestion and elimination, but also feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut. Protein and healthy fats. The protein and fat in whole, nutritious foods play various critical roles in your body. Summary: whole, nutritious foods boast vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, fiber, protein, and fat, all of which promote health and are key to optimal bodily function.